Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the different types of umbrellas. As an umbrella manufacturer, we know that there are many different styles and features to consider when choosing an umbrella. In this video, we'll be highlighting some of the most common types of umbrellas and their unique features. Walker umbrellas. Walker umbrellas are designed to be used while walking, with a curved handle that provides a comfortable grip. They typically have a 23-inch to 27-inch canopy to cover 1 to 2 persons. Fumbrella offers a variety of Walker umbrellas in different colors, materials, and sizes to meet your needs. Folding umbrellas. Folding umbrellas are another popular style of umbrella. They are designed to be compact and portable, making them a great choice for people who are always on the go. Golf umbrellas. Golf umbrellas are designed to be large and sturdy, providing protection from rain or sun while on the golf course. They typically have a wide canopy and a strong frame to withstand windy conditions. Fumbrella's golf umbrellas come in different colors and styles, and can be customized with your logo or branding. Automatic umbrellas. Automatic umbrellas are designed to be opened and closed with the push of a button. They are convenient and easy to use, making them a popular choice for people who are always on the go. Beach umbrellas. Beach umbrellas are designed specifically for use at the beach. They have a wide canopy that provides plenty of shade, and a sturdy frame that can be anchored into the sand. Fumbrella's beach umbrellas come in a variety of colors and styles, and are made with durable materials that can withstand sun, wind, and salt water. Patio umbrellas. Patio umbrellas are designed for outdoor use, and are perfect for shading outdoor dining areas, decks, and patios. They typically have a large canopy and a sturdy frame that can be attached to a table or a freestanding base. Fumbrella's patio umbrellas come in different colors and sizes, and can be customized to match your outdoor decor. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief overview of some of the different types of umbrellas. www.fumbrella.com Professional umbrella manufacturer.